to Roots and Wings Autism Center. Thanks to Zaitoon Group, we have grown bigger and better at New Lahore City. And Roots and Wings Autism Center has been providing services to children with ASD and other neurodevelopmental disorders since 2016. And we have been providing speech therapy, occupational therapy, and applied behavior analysis, ABA therapy.
थैंक्स टू न्यू लाहौर सिटी एंड जैतून सिटी जिन्होंने हमारे साथ कोलैबोरेट किया और उन्होंने हमारे साथ बहुत ताउन किया और हमें इतना पर्पस बिल्ट और स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट कैंपस हमने यहाँ पे अपने बच्चों के लिए खोला।
Roots and Wings Autism Center has now moved to bigger and better location at Zaitoon, New Lahore City, Cornerstone campus. We are hopeful that this collaboration with Zaitoon will result in creating better opportunities, educational opportunities for special children who require this more than other normal children.